welcome to PureWax Car Care Products. I'm Cameron, and today in our segment we're going to talk to you about our flagship product, our waterless wash and detailer. Over here, beautiful PureWax blue. Great thing about it is I find a lot of people love it, but it smells amazing. Smells like fresh green apples. One of the most popular things about it is the smell. Yeah, I have people talk about it all the time. Now we're going to have a chat to you about it on this Mustang here. So the beauty with the PureWax Waterless is it can be used on the windows, the paintwork, the wheels. You can use it on chrome, you can use it on aluminium, fiberglass. You can basically use it on absolutely anything. What we do is we spray it onto the windows, and we also spray it onto the paintwork. Now, in a previous segment we spoke about our microfibers. We take the light coloured one to remove any grime that's on the surface. And then we take the dark one to polish it up. Super smooth. At the same time, it helps to reduce fingerprints on the inside of the vehicle, so great for grubby kids' fingerprints, and helps to reduce fog and condensation on the inside of the vehicle as well. Now moving down onto the paintwork, a bottle of PureWax will do a car this size a good 4 to 5 times, and you only have to apply it every 4 to 6 weeks. As you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm doing strokes on the side. Now what that means is that I'm not trying to go over the product twice. The mud and grime is coming up almost on my cloth, and then I buff it with the dark cloth. Just like so. Now the great thing with the PureWax is it's got what's called a Monton Wax in it. Now Monton Wax is a breathable wax. It's derived from a fossil that's heated up and turned into a wax. Now Monton Wax has a higher heat threshold than your conventional waxes like your Canuba, so it lasts longer on the surface of the paint, puts down an amazing gloss, and at the same time does a phenomenal job when using it. Now the great thing about the PureWax Waterless Detailer is that it's not just for using it on your vehicle. There are so many uses that you can use the waterless on. I use it on house windows. I recently sold my house. I used it on the house windows at home to do the inside and outside of them to bring them up before we sold it. You can use it on shower glass, mirrors, stainless steel in your kitchen cabinetry, splashbacks. Then you can use it on other things outside the house. You can use it on boats, motorbikes, jet skis, helicopters, planes. You can use it on basically anything that needs to be cleaned and polished at the same time. As long as it's not muddy and completely dirty, if the car or anything is lightly soiled, PureWax Waterless Wash and Detailer is an amazing product. One of the beautiful things about the PureWax Waterless Wash Detailer is the ability for it to work on alloy rims. Now with the Monton Wax that's in the product, it is designed to help to repel up to 75% of the brake dust that you do get on the rims. Now that obviously depends on the type of alloys that you have and the driving conditions that you drive in, but on most vehicles, up to 75% of brake dust is repelled. Now the way that works is, again, spray it onto the surface of the vehicle, onto the mag wheel. You use your light coloured cloth to remove any of that brake dust, just like so. And then we take the dark coloured microfiber there to polish it up. As you can see, it lays down a beautiful shine, but at the same time when you do take the brake dust, it helps to repel that by up to 75%. Thanks for checking out PureWax Car Care Products.